Well, we're just going to go through the assessment for MEM30031A, and in this assessment you're asked to create an AutoCAD template and then submit it for marking. So I just want, in your assessment material, you'll see that they provide you with a checklist to make sure that you've created all of the different features inside your template. And we just want to go through that now and just demonstrate what those features are, what the marker will be looking for. So let's go and first of all open up the template. So you will have submitted a file, and we'll just go new and looking for the file. I know I stored it in my documents folder. I know I stored it here, and that's the name of the file. This is the file that you will have uploaded. So we'll open your file up, click open, and that template then converts into a drawing. So if that works, we know we're on the right track. Now let's go through that checklist that we've provided, and the first thing it's asking is, have you created a new style for text, and is that called My Style? So we'll be going into the Annotate ribbon and checking here on this panel, looking to see if My Style is the current active style, and then we'll open this up and have a look inside. There's My Style, and we'll be checking to see if you've changed the font. Everything looks okay in this example, so I'm cancelling out of that. Second thing on the checklist we'll be looking for is dimensions. We're going to check to see if you've created a new style in the dimensions called My Style. Then we'll open it up, click on My Style and modify, and we'll be looking to see in symbols and arrows, have you changed the style of the arrow head. We'll be looking for architectural tick, so that's what you make sure you get that done. Click OK, close. Now we move to the next third item, which is multi-leader style. We'll be checking to see in the leaders here if you've created a style called My Style, making sure that it's active, clicking on the style manager, clicking modify, and we'll be checking in the contents tab here to make sure you've made the appropriate changes. Close that. So they're the first three items. The fourth item on the checklist is to see if you've created all the appropriate layers. So we go back to the home ribbon, click on the layer properties button, and we'll be looking in here now to see if we can see 11 layers. We're checking to see if the colors have been altered, line types have been set correctly, line weights set correctly, and we'll be looking also specifically at the layer called viewports to make sure this last little icon has been set to don't print. So that's the layers. I'll close that down. The next item on the checklist is checking the layouts now. So we know we've got model space, and we need to see two layouts in here, and they need to have been renamed. So let's click on A4 border, and what we'll be looking for in here to make sure that the border has been inserted, the title block has been inserted, and the logo is there correctly, and making sure that the viewport is on the correct layer. So they're the things we'll be looking for in the first layout. We'll go to the second one, and we'll be looking for all similar things there, except one more. We'll be making sure that the title block is positioned on this right hand end of the sheet. So now that's pretty much all we'll be looking for. So follow through the instructions in the information provided, and good luck with your assessment.